guys, my name is Sherry and welcome to story number 4. And today I thought instead of moving around everywhere or doing the regular exercise routine and stuff, I'll sit down, chill, go slow, and just introduce myself and talk about myself and also keep things interesting by opening some packages. I went a little bit crazy and I bought a lot of stuff. And we have like all kinds of things here except food. So we have like shoes, clothes, some appliances kind of thing. So let's start with the thing that came today, like 10 minutes back, okay? So I got a package from MAC, and this is not for me exactly. Like I bought one lipstick for my mom, and me and my best friend Kelly, we kind of went halfsies on this offer. So MAC was running a promotion, buy one lipstick and get one free, and I ordered one for my mom and she ordered one for herself, and we split the cost. And this is what came. So basically there's one lipstick here, and this is just a sample that they were sending with all orders, and the free lipstick, Kelly's lipstick, is not included in this package. So these guys, they're saying that her shade which she ordered is out of stock, so they didn't send it. And I'm super annoyed because I got it for my mom's birthday and her birthday was yesterday. So firstly the order is late, and secondly Kelly's lipstick is not even here. So I'm not sure if I should use this or I need to return it or what's the deal. But I really like the shade and I want to use it. But I think I'll have to wait because maybe I'll have to return this or something. Not sure about that, but let's move on. Second thing I'm very excited about is some shoes that I received. Hold up. Removing packaging is extremely difficult. Hold up. I just hope I don't hurt myself here. So I have been going back and forth on like what shade I want and what shade is gonna look nice on me and things like this for a long time. Like at least for 3 months I was doing that, like picking up shades and shit. But then I realized, you know what, I'll just go ahead and order this. I'm kind of disappointed. Like these are supposed to be Nike Air Jordans. They look really nice. Something's not quite right here. Firstly, I don't think this is my size. Like, let me wear this for you. Check it out. Okay, actually this is my size. Maybe it's like one size too big. It's definitely one size too big, and I have to return this now. This is disappointment, you guys. I'm so disappointed right now. So 2 things being returned so far. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is something I already opened because this arrived a long time ago. I bought a pair of sneaker silicone heel socks. It has like a silicone lining here to give you a good grip when you're removing and wearing shoes. And I got this hoodie, which I think I might also return because it's huge. And this is a medium, okay? I mean, I'm usually a medium, but this is huge and this is not my vibe. I mean, it's my vibe, but it's huge. I mean, if it was, I should have gotten a small. It's my mistake. But I think a small was out of stock. So anyway, I think this was not meant to be, and I hope it's in the return period so I can still return this. So far, I'm just the queen of making returns. Am I not? Anyway, this is something that I'm so excited about because I wanted to wear these with the shoes, but obviously the shoes are not working out now. But I really hope that these do. But I'm not sure. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, la, la, la. Can you see that? That looks so interesting. They look like they're my size. The quality looks super nice. So these are by Hunky Molar in a size medium, and I got these for discount, I think for 1500 rupees. Yeah, and I'm not sure because I just opened it, but I think they will fit, and I think I love them already. Moving on. Okay, I think we've opened all the clothes. Let me check. Oh, I also ordered like a black hoodie with the same H&M order. It was very nice. It's a zip up sleeveless hoodie, black. I got that in small and it's so sexy. I'll upload a picture on, oh, I already have uploaded a picture on my Instagram if you want to go check that. And of course, I was not happy with everything. I mean, with the amount of things that I ordered. So I ordered one more thing. But the thing is, with my trainer job at Danny's, when I ordered this, I didn't know what the deal was. They said that I could wear either gray or black, but then later they mentioned that, you know, I should just try and stick to mostly black. But it was too late and I had already placed an order for these. And the quality looks great. They look like Gymshark kind of quality. I might keep these. I was thinking of returning them because they are not the color that I want anymore. So these are also in a medium. These are the seamless tights. They look really nice. And I think I got these only for like 1000 rupees or something. So I'm definitely keeping these because the quality is super nice. Not sure where I'll wear it though. But yeah. And now, moving on to the most exciting thing that I've been working on for the past couple of months. Not months, weeks. So when I was leaving the Amazon job, I knew I wanted to leave it, but I was not sure what I was gonna do next. Like, I did not want to go from working a 9-hour shift for 8 months straight to doing nothing and just chilling and wasting time away. Like, I really like having a routine and sticking to things, and it just makes me feel useful, like I matter, and just great overall. So I always like being productive and doing things, something or the other that I need to be doing. And of course, you know already that exercise is a very big part of that. But other than that, I wanted something that would make me money, and yeah. So, you know, I love cooking as well, like healthy cooking. So I thought that I'll open like a small home business kind of thing. So I thought that I'll start this company and I'll start with only 2 items for now. So I'm gonna be selling hummus and peanut butter, like smooth peanut butter and hummus. So this is just gonna be made at my home with natural ingredients, no chemicals. Just gonna be packaged by me in normal glass jars, plastic jars, whatever. And because I'm already working, like, I mean, when I decided this, I didn't have the job that I have now. So, you know, I was gonna put mostly all of my time towards this home business initially, but now that I have this job, I realized that I might not have as much time as I thought I did, because now I'm also doing YouTube videos for you guys because I really like sharing certain aspects of my life with you. And yeah, so we're also going to be doing a home business. I already have an Instagram page up for this. I'll leave a link to this down below. And yeah, so when I decided I wanted to start this, I realized that I don't have the equipment that I need to be doing to be making these products. So I went ahead and got this. So basically, it's a food processor with all of its attachments and stuff. So anyway, there's a lot of stuff in there, and I don't want to have a messy thing going on for any longer, for more than I have to. So the food processor that I got is like 1000 watts food processor by Morphy Richards. Yeah, and I think it's gonna serve me really well, and I think it's really powerful. Of course, I haven't tested it out yet. It arrived a couple of days back. I unboxed it, checked it to make sure that nothing is broken and everything looks fine so far. And soon I'm gonna be making my first batch of hummus and peanut butter and sending out some testers to my friends so they can pass it along to their friends and we can have some nice wholesome fun. Other than that, I got a little bit too excited, and before I even have orders, I already placed orders for this kind of thing. So these are labels. Like, you just peel one label off, you can write the expiry date or when the item was manufactured. I can write the name of my company, which is Wellbeing Foods, by the way, and paste it on the jars when I send it out to people, so they know, you know, by what date they need to finish this and things like this, and they can differentiate between different things. And the rest of the items in this haul is just related to the business aspect of it. So okay, so the first thing I do before I start taking orders is gonna be making a batch, a big batch, and just handing out testers. So I placed an order for these kind of boxes. Like, they're very small, perfect for tester sizes. And yeah, I'll just fill up some hummus, some peanut butter, and hand it over to my friends. And yeah, you know, because the best business marketing strategy is word of mouth, if you ask me. What else? Okay, so I was just shopping, and I found this really nice deal on sesame seeds. Now, I don't know if you know, like, these are hulled sesame seeds, so without the outer shell, which is what is used for making tahini. So tahini is a nut butter made with sesame seeds, which is a very important ingredient in making hummus. So I have 1 kg of sesame seeds here. This cost 460 bucks. Just to give you guys like a perspective on how the products and everything is gonna be priced and things like this. So yeah, that was all the things I had to show you guys today. I know मैंने mostly तो जो भी कुछ बोला अभी तक it was all in English, and this was supposed to be a Hindi and English channel, लेकिन मेरी हिंदी बहुत ज़्यादा कमज़ोर है. I'm still trying to work on this, and मेरे एक्साइटमेंट में मैं हिंदी में बोलना भूल गई. I'm sorry about that. बट या मेरे साथ इस छोटी सी कहानी का हिस्सा बनने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. वाओ, आई एम सो प्राउड आई वाज एबल टू से दैट. एनीवे, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक करना. ऑल्सो गो एंड फॉलो the page for my business, my upcoming new venture that I'm so excited about. I'll leave the handle to that in the description bar below, as well as my Instagram page will also be tagged down below, so you can go follow me there. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment about where I can improve, what you did not like, what you did like, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one.